Hey everybody, it's your girl Bev and I'm back with another planner related video. If this is your first time, welcome. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way anytime I post a yummy video like this, you'll know. So guys, I thought I would do this video. It's in reference to chores and household upkeep when you are disabled or your mobility is limited. So this hits close to me because I am no longer able to do the things that I like to do or desire to do around my home. So I wanted to tell the tips and tricks that I'm going to try to have myself be more functionable, because when I'm doing, I feel better about myself. And we all feel better about the upkeep of ourselves and of our home. So I got this home expansion pack some time ago. It came with the chores, the meals plans, and it had the budget section and the projects. But the budget section is in my Christmas planner. If you didn't see that video, go ahead and check it out after you finish watching this video. But I said I wanted to go off of this. Now in this home expansion pack, it has everything broken down for you for like what chores you should do daily, weekly, and monthly. So weekly, it has each part of the home separated, okay? And daily is like upkeep of each day, so it won't be so bad when you come to the weekly part. And monthly is like a deep clean, you know, cleaning the refrigerator and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna start with daily chores. So when we get up in the morning, just make your bed. Make your bed, that way it's out the way. And when you finish with your day and you take your shower and you go into bed, you could just climb in those covers and feel comfy, cozy. You don't have to worry about fixing the bed. You're gonna be tired. So as soon as you wake up in the morning, make your bed. Meal prep. This helps not only with time management, but it also helps with your diet and food choices, because when we're busy throughout our day and you're hungry, you tend to want to grab whatever's there, and it most times ends up being a bad decision. So meal prep could be thawing out, chopping, prepping any ingredients for lunch or dinner to make quick work when you're cooking. Wash the dishes. Cut clutter in the sink area by washing the dishes or loading into the dishwasher immediately. So that means, like, after you use a dish, don't put it in the sink, wash it out. We tell the kids that all the time. Maybe sometime we have to go behind them and do it if you have some little ones, but it's best to wash them after every meal. And also while you're cooking, wash and clean as you go. That way the clutter, the cleanup won't be as hard after the fact. Keep spray, disinfectant, or cleaning wipes handy for quick cleanups. This is for wiping down your countertops. So if you do this on a regular basis, your countertops should stay primarily clean. Declutter. Establish a morning and afternoon routine to pick up to combat the clutter. So like things that you have picked up or put down in different places that they don't belong throughout the day, you take time in the morning from the night before and the afternoon to kind of square those away. Laundry. Do one complete load per day. Complete means wash, dry, iron, fold, and put away. So, you know, it'll cut down on the laundry piling up, finding things to wear, and stuff like that. Vacuum and sweep and spot clean floors as needed. So if you have a hardwood floor, you know you have to sweep and mop. And if you have carpet, as I do, you have to vacuum daily. Trash. Empty trash bins as needed to keep the odors away. So sometimes we like to save more money and wait till the garbage is full to take it out. But sometimes you can't wait. So to avoid different smells in your home, you might want to take it out twice a day, if you can swing that. And water your plants. If you have plants, tend to the plants and outdoor chores as needed. That is not, required of me. And 5-minute pickup. Spend 5 minutes before bedtime returning items to their proper place. So, morning, noon, and night, you'll be picking up a little bit. So, it won't feel as overwhelming, right? And if you're starting from a place where your house is not in its best shape, or you can't let guests come in per se, just take it section by section and do a little bit every day. And about time 2 weeks go by, it'll be in tip-top shape the way you want it. So your weekly chores is in each area of your home. The bathrooms, clear clutter, tub, shower, mirrors, scrub sinks, toilet, mop your floor, waste basket, stock paper, like put extra toilet paper in under your sink, change your towels out weekly. If you need to change your towels out more than once a week, which I do, it's totally fine. In your kitchen, on top of washing the dishes daily, weekly you will want to clean the glass, wipe down appliances, scrub your sink out. Lemon is great for odors, and if you have a garbage disposal. Tidy up your cupboards. Purge your fridge. That means get rid of old leftovers of things that you're not going to eat and you're holding on to, or stuff that has a little bit in there and it's been sitting there. Toss it. Tidy your pantry. Stock your linens and clean your counters. So for your floors, vacuum, sweep, spot clean, mop, or steam. Outdoors, you have your gutter, you're raking your leaves and stuff like that. Surface and glass, we gotta dust and wipe down glass with glass cleaner, or if you have homemade products or organic products, you can use those. Excuse me. In your bedroom, change your sheets weekly. Tidy your closet. Tidy your bedside. Vacuum under your bed and in the closets. Tidy dresser and drawers, and put away laundry. Now, household, I found interesting because I always got a lot of junk mail around. So, sort your mail, file documents, pay bills, banking, sort receipts, update your planner, review your budget, mail birthday or greeting cards. So, you have to take time each week to make sure you square this away, because we might not be able to squeeze that in every day. So, at least make sure you're doing it once a week. So your monthly chores are bedding, wash your bedding, quilt shams and blankets, clean your baseboards and trims, rugs, furniture, trash cans, kitchen cabinets, walls, windows, sills, and switch covers. Clean your fridge, purge clothing and household items, and actually take them to the place you're donating them to. Don't stop, pile them up in the garage. Appliances and outdoor spaces. So we're going to give those a deep down clean during the month. So for me, what you're going to do is what I'm going to do is get my cleaning supplies that I need for the specific job at hand. Get that together, put it in a localized place where I could access it. And I'm gonna get me a chair. I don't care if it's cooking, wiping down, picking up in the kitchen. I'm gonna take the chair to the desired area, sit down, take my time, and clean the stuff and wipe it down and stuff like that daily. So I don't have to do the laundry. My husband does the laundry. So like meal prep, make the bed, wash the dishes, declutter, and clean off the countertops and stuff. I'm gonna give myself that responsibility. Start small, work smarter, not harder. And I'm going to, if I have to take time and take a break in between, it's okay. You can do that too. Take a break. Go sit down for 15 minutes in your comfy chair and catch your breath. Then go back to what you were doing. If you do this every day, or at least 4 times out of your week, not only are you becoming mobile, even cleaning is a form of exercise. You're becoming mobile and you're making yourself and your home feel better. So I'm going to do the daily chores and leave it at that. The weekly chores I haven't ironed out yet, so that's what you can do. Just sit in your chair and take your time and wipe down areas and stuff like that. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and tell me down below if you're gonna try to take your time and spot clean, do areas in your home. Again, my name is Beverly and the channel is She Loves Planners, and I'll be seeing you guys again soon. Bye.